Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how we can use and enable the Safe Search feature in the Startpage search engine. So let us dive into it. So let me launch Startpage via the Waterfox web browser. You can do this, for example, by heading over to their homepage of Startpage or by simply opening a new tab here on Waterfox because it has Startpage enabled as a search engine. So let me select Startpage. And let us go with an example search entry like Instagram, for instance. So that's the searches here in the Startpage search engine, guys. If you'd like to enable the Safe Search feature, you will see it below here between or amongst these filters, which is usually set to moderate. So click into that drop-down menu and select strict. And that's it. As you can see, the search will be, or the Safe Search filter will be applied instantly, and that's it. Alternatively, guys, you may enable it also in your search engine's settings. To do that, click into these three lines in the top right, select settings, and here inside your settings, navigate to privacy and safety. And here, guys, you will see Safe Search. Click into it and select strict. And that's it. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.